Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope all of y'all are doing absolutely fine and are healthy. So आज हम बात करने वाले हैं about intermittent fasting यानी कि IF जो एक बहुत ही well known diet plan है. Now yes, I have myself tried intermittent fasting and before trying it out मैंने अपना खुद का research किया था, which is like the information which I wanted, which would help me to decide if I can do this diet or just to know more about how it works. So in this video also I'm going to share some important information which is going to be helpful for all of you all to decide कि अगर आपको ये fast या intermittent fasting करना है क्या आप ये कर पाओगे और आपको इसके benefits क्या क्या है जो मिलने वाले हैं which is going to motivate you to do that. So before we start, let me give a disclaimer here that I'm not a medical expert या मैं कोई dietitian नहीं हूँ. It is purely on basis of my research and my experience that I'm sharing this information with you. Also one more thing which I would like to say is that whenever you're trying to surf the internet या आप internet पे जब भी कोई information ढूंढते हैं, so try to get the information from reliable sources. So I will link down some links which I have referred for intermittent fasting information. लेकिन again जैसे मैंने आपको बोला बहुत information है internet पे. We just need to focus on the important aspects of intermittent fasting जो कि मैं इस video में I'm going to discuss with you all. So without wasting any time, let's just get into the video and know more about intermittent fasting. Okay? So ये video जो है I have divided into 3 parts. एक तो ये है कि what is intermittent fasting यानी कि intermittent fasting exactly है क्या. Secondly, how is it done? कैसे intermittent fasting किया जाता है and exactly क्या होता है intermittent fasting से, as in how does it work? And third part is going to be a little bit more information wherein what are the benefits and who all can do it and who all cannot do it. So do watch the video till the end because I don't want you to miss any important information. So what is intermittent fasting? ये fancy name है, तो ये क्या नाम है exactly? So intermittent यानी कि इस शब्द का मतलब ये है कि कोई भी चीज़ on and off रुक के जो हम करते हैं या जो होती है उसको इंटरमिटेंट बोलते हैं. सो यहाँ पे जो फास्टिंग है हम ऑन ऑफ ऐसे करने वाले हैं. नाउ आइडियल सिनेरियो ऐसा होता है कि इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग में 2 विंडोज होते हैं या 2 पीरियड्स होते हैं. सो एक होता है फास्टिंग पीरियड, दूसरा होता है ईटिंग पीरियड यानी कि फीस्टिंग पीरियड. फास्टिंग एंड फीस्टिंग पीरियड. फास्टिंग पीरियड वो पीरियड होता है जिस पीरियड में हम कुछ नहीं खाते हैं. वी आर ऑन फास्ट. फास्ट मीन्स वी आर नॉट अलाउड टू कंज्यूम एनी सॉलिड फूड. एंड जो ईटिंग पीरियड होता है उसमें हम जो हमारे मील्स है या हमारा जो खाना है वो हम खा सकते हैं. तो इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग की सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट खासियत ये है कि इट डजंट टेल यू व्हाट नॉट टू ईट, इट टेल्स यू व्हेन नॉट टू ईट. तो कब हमें खाना चाहिए खाना और कब नहीं खाना चाहिए, ये इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग का मेन क्रक्स है. नाउ व्हाट आर दीज 2 विंडोज? सो बेसिकली द कन्वेंशनल या जो बहुत ही कॉमनली यूज्ड इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग का विंडो पीरियड है दैट इज 16:8. 16 hours of fasting and 8 hours of eating. So हमारे जो 24 घंटे हैं उसको हमने 2 पार्ट्स में वी हैव डिवाइडेड, 16 hours and 18 hours. लेकिन अगर आप बिगिनर हो और आप चाहते हो कि यू शुड मूव ऑन स्लोली, gradually you should reach 16 hours of fasting because our bodies are not used to it. So we don't want to give our body a sudden shock. So yes, you can start with 12 hours of fasting and slowly you can increase the fasting to 13 hours, 14 hours, 15 and then 16. So yes, I have done 16:8 hours of intermittent fasting. Initially, it is a little difficult because you're not used to it. But एक बार आपको इस चीज़ की आदत हो गई, आपके बॉडी को इस चीज़ की आदत हो गई, then it goes very smoothly, believe me. So now what do we have to do in intermittent fasting? So intermittent fasting में हमें 16 hours, which is what we are going to look at, 16:8. 16 hours हमें complete fasting में रहना है, यानी कि हमें कोई भी खाना, solid food नहीं खाना है. Yes, you can drink water, you can have green tea, you can have some detox drinks. So वो सब कुछ आप ले सकते हो, लेकिन आपको solid food इन 16 घंटों में बिल्कुल खाना नहीं है. एंड जो बचे हुए 8 घंटे हैं उसमें यू कैन ईट, सो जो आपका पूरे दिन का जो आपकी डाइट रिक्वायरमेंट है दैट यू कैन फुलफिल इन दोज 8 hours. So yes, what to eat and all we will discuss about that later, but then this is the basic funda behind intermittent fasting. Now how does intermittent fasting work? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग से आपका वेट लॉस होगा, इंच लॉस होगा, फैट लॉस होगा एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंटली विसरल फैट लॉस होगा, विच इज़ अगेन वेरी गुड फॉर योर हेल्थ. So how does this intermittent fasting actually work? What is the science behind it? So in very simple terms I would say that हमारी बॉडी जब फेड होती है, यानी कि हमारे पेट में जब खाना होता है उस टाइम पे हमारे बॉडी में इंसुलिन लेवल्स बहुत हाई होते हैं, और जब इंसुलिन हमारे बॉडी का हाई होता है उस टाइम आवर बॉडी इज नॉट एबल टू बर्न इनफ फैट्स. So that is why जब भी आपके पेट में खाना रहता है, wherein we have this lifestyle these days wherein we keep on eating throughout the day, late nights. So हमारा जो eating period होता है, fed state होती है बॉडी की, it is quite long. So इस वजह से हमारे इंसुलिन लेवल्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत हाई होते हैं ऑलरेडी एंड द बॉडी इज नॉट एबल टू बर्न एनी फैट. वेयर एज इन द फास्टिंग स्टेट जो इंसुलिन लेवल्स होते हैं इन द बॉडी दे आर वेरी लो, बिकॉज ऑफ विच द बॉडी इज एबल टू बर्न अ लॉट ऑफ फैट. सो दैट इज वाई यू कैन सी अगर हम 16 घंटे इफ वी आर इन फास्टिंग स्टेट, तो हाउ मच scope our body is going to get to burn the fat. It's a lot of scope which the body gets, because the body gets a lot of time to do its work of burning the fat. So that is the reason intermittent fasting works, and I think it's a very natural phenomenon. And intermittent fasting जो है ये कोई नई discovery नहीं है. This has been there in our ancient times as well, wherein पहले जब hunters होते थे, a man was a hunter. तो hunters को whenever they used to feel hungry, they used to go and they used to hunt for their food, and they used to eat that food fresh. So there was no provision of storing the food, या हम जैसे we keep it in the refrigerator and we eat whenever we want throughout the day, वो नहीं होता था. And also in most of the religions there is a lot of importance which is given to fasting. So again it is the same thing, which is like हमारी body can take that much hours of fasting very easily, which we are not doing these days. We are just keeping ourselves fed without even needing that. हमारी body को वो requirement नहीं होती है, still we are keeping ourselves fed throughout the day. So that is not going to help us. Now yes, so this is how intermittent fasting works, and it's a very natural way of doing this diet. आपको खाना कुछ अलग नहीं है. You don't have to eat any supplements. You just have to eat normal healthy food. So yes, you can follow this type of diet. You can go slowly, जैसे कि I said, go slowly. First start with 12 hours and then slowly move on to 16 hours. So now the question comes that हमें जो eating period है of 8 hours उसमें क्या खाना चाहिए. Yes, so we should not eat anything and everything, because अगर हमारा aim है weight loss, then we need to eat healthy, home cooked, and again yes, हमें हमारा calorie intake कितना है उसका भी ध्यान रखना पड़ेगा. And believe me, I have tried this, and intermittent fasting में जो 8 hours होते हैं उसमें you cannot just keep on eating and eating and eating. You really don't require उतना food. तो your body will ultimately kind of stop itself there. So it is not going to be like बहुत ज़्यादा खा रहे हो आप, and ऐसा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है unless and until you have an eating disorder. So yes, you need to eat healthy, and normally जो हमारे meals होते हैं, so intermittent fasting में usually you skip the breakfast, which is again like absolutely fine. आपका जो maximum period होता है of fasting, it is utilized in sleeping, which is like a good thing, क्योंकि आप approximately 7 to 8 hours you should ideally sleep. जो आपका fasting period है उसमें आप वो नींद ले रहे हो तो आपको भूख नहीं लगेगी as it is. And उसके बाद normally like what I have tried, I'll let you know. So मेरा fasting eating period था या window था from 12 PM like in the noon till 8 PM in the evening or early night. So that is what I used to follow. So 12 बजे I used to have my lunch straight away. So in lunch, like again or in any meal, I would say that you have to keep it balanced. Like fats कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स, प्रोटीन्स, ये सब कुछ आपके होने चाहिए आपके लंच में या इन एनी मील. सो माई लंच यूज टू बी लाइक रोटी, सब्जी, सैलड, दाल, या फिर कोई सब्जी ऐसी होती थी जो प्रोटीन रिच है, पनीर है या वट एवर. सो आप ऐसे ले सकते हो. यू कैन हैव कर्ड एंड यू कैन हैव इट इन लिमिटेड पोर्शन, नॉट लाइक ओवर ईटिंग, बिकॉज योर बॉडी ideally needs around 1000 to 1200 calories, depends again on your BMI, so we'll not get into that, but yes, so that used to be my lunch. After that I used to have a mid-evening meal, which is like fruit, that is at 3 p.m. I used to have a fruit, whichever fruit was available at home, वो मैं खाती थी. उसके बाद around 5 o'clock I used to have tea. So in tea I used to have sugarless tea. I used to add stevia to it, and उसके साथ कोई भी snack, be it makhanas, again healthy makhanas या sprouts chaat, कोई भी healthy option you can include in your snack time. उसके बाद मेरा directly होता था dinner at around 7:30, which used to be like dal, rice, vegetables. So yes, also include fibrous vegetable in your diet, जैसे the green leafy vegetables. So you just try to keep the balance in between all the components of the diet, fats, carbohydrates, proteins. So yes, और एक important चीज़ ये है कि morning में when you're breaking the fast, don't break the fast immediately with a meal. What you can do is, मैं morning like approximately 9 o'clock after waking up, I used to have a detox drink like जीरा पानी, ज़ीरा जो अपना होता है, you just have to boil it in some water, strain that water and drink that water, or else you can have apple cider vinegar, which is like again great. So morning में you have that, and then after that you break your fast. Maybe while breaking the fast you can just have few nuts or something, that is also fine. So don't immediately jump onto solid food when you're breaking that 16-hour long fast. Also important चीज़ ये है कि आपको पूरे दिन में you have to drink around 3 to 4 liters of water, which is going to again flush out all the toxins and make your skin again. So like water के benefits we all know. Again after dinner, that is 8 o'clock से मेरा 8 PM से मेरा fasting period start होता था. तो after that like 9 बजे के आसपास वगैरह I used to have a green tea. So yes, you can do that. As I said, solid food बिल्कुल अलाउड नहीं है फास्टिंग विंडो में, लेकिन आप जो लिक्विड डाइट है अपना, जैसे ग्रीन टी है, डिटॉक्स टीज है, वो आप ले सकते हो. Yeah, and again sleep is very important. You have to sleep for good 7 to 8 hours daily, and believe me, when you do intermittent fasting you will get good sleep. The quality of your sleep is going to improve. That is one thing which I have experienced myself. So this is about intermittent fasting. Now who should not do it? So basically the women who are pregnant should not do intermittent fasting, because they cannot deprive themselves of food for a longer period of time, because they are eating for 2 people. And again, the people who are diabetic should not try intermittent fasting. And अगर आपको कोई भी disease है, disorders है, then please consult a doctor or a dietitian before doing any kind of fast, be it intermittent fasting also. So yes, please let me know अगर आपको कोई और videos you want to see from my side. Yes, I'll be making such videos which are going to be very informative. So do let me know what kind of videos you would like to see from my side. And also leave your comments below, like have you tried intermittent fasting, and what was your experience? Would you like to try this now? Yes, so do share your thoughts with me. I would love to know from all of y'all. So I will end the video over here. Thank you so much for your time, and have a lovely day ahead. Stay safe and stay healthy.